Hello everyone, how are you doing with your cleanse? So far so good, day 3 now, yay! So I slept in today because I had that headache and it went away a little bit and then it came back. So I took it easy, I did my yoga and I just did what I needed to do, did a lot of resting yesterday and I even slept in. So I skipped my exercise, but it's okay, I'm going to walk later on today. But I just wanted to share with you a little bit about hydration today, okay? So just let me, so guys, make sure you drink a lot of water, okay? I fill up these twice each day and you just keep sipping water throughout the day. So if you say, oh, I'm not a water drinker, okay, I'm putting lemon in my water here, then become one now. Make sure you drink out of glass. Okay, I keep saying that, but I see people drinking out of plastic. And just allow yourself to trigger the thirst mechanism again. So a lot of people, because they ignored their thirst mechanism, they don't feel thirsty, so they don't drink. And they say, oh, I'm not a water drinker. But just start now, okay? And then your body's thirst mechanism will awaken. Sometimes people are thirsty and they think they're hungry, so they overeat. So try to drink throughout the day. First thing in the morning, drink, like half a bottle like this or the whole bottle. Okay, just drink and flush. And then you'll go to the bathroom and things will be soft serve, if you know what I mean. Okay, so lemon and peppermint oil, just 1 or 2 drops of each in your water will help your body absorb the water molecules better. Okay, so those people who tend to have cramps, leg cramps or whatever, this will help your body absorb the water better. I don't know why, I just discovered that, all right, because half your body weight is actually water, right? So sometimes we don't know that we have symptoms of dehydration, okay? So if you experience like smelly urine, if your urine is dark, okay, or you have tiredness, you're fatigued, okay, you've got headaches, you're a bit confused, you might be dizzy or lightheadedness, that might be a sign of dehydration. So it can't hurt to drink a little bit extra water, right, and see if that goes, or the symptoms go away. So I had a lady, I'm going to do this as I speak to you. Okay, I had a lady, she came up to me, and when she started using the lemon oil, she told me, oh, my urine is smelly, Jade. And I thought, okay, what's the problem? Just keep drinking more water and doing the lemon oil. She's like, oh, it's just awful. And I said, well, because she drinks a lot, and I thought it's detoxing your body, it's okay. And I said, just keep taking the lemon oil and drinking more water, because until your urine starts to look clear and it's less smelly. Okay, so basically that's it. So don't worry or panic when your urine is smelly, okay, and dark. Okay, so it's your body's way of telling you it's working well, it's cleansing, but it's got stuff to eliminate, and that is a good sign because your body is clearing out all the junk inside of it. Okay, all right, so cheers. Good job, me. Okay, so drink a lot of water. It helps remove waste. Your cells hold on to the toxins in the fat, okay? So we've got toxins, we've got debris, we've got just all sorts of bacteria and parasites and fungus and things inside our body. And so when we drink essential oils and water, it releases all that in the bloodstream, and so you have to drink water to kind of flush it out, all right? Water actually lubricates your joints as well, and it helps maintain your body temperature. So if you have hot flashes and stuff too, that really helps, just drinking water. The other thing too, it helps improve brain function. All right, so if you get confused a lot and you can't think well, that really helps. Okay, so we talked about hydration. So let's talk about the kidneys and the bladder. Okay, so those organs help us urinate. Excuse me. So those organs help us urinate, right? And it does other things too. It filters food, and it filters water soluble things. Now, your kidneys and bladder, it holds emotions. It holds good emotions and bad emotions. And so we need to eliminate the bad emotions and just keep the good. But you have the power to control that. So let me tell you the emotions that are in the kidneys and bladder. Okay, criticism. Okay, and controlling. So the negative self-talk, right? Condemnation and judgmental. We try to self-correct, but when we go too far, it becomes judgmental, right? Judgmental is just a conclusive statement, choice about yourself, but self-correcting means you are still continuing your journey of change. All right, so you can self-correct. I need to do this and this. Oh, that wasn't very good, but let's do this better. But the negative self-talk that says, well, you're just like this, it's condemning because it's conclusive. There's no room now to move and change. Does that make sense? So we want to just stay over here and, be self-correcting, but be kind, okay? The kidneys and bladder hold emotions of disappointment, of fear, of dread, of horror, of worry, of conflict and failure. So if you have a lot of negative self-talk that has to do with those things, let's get rid of it. All right, be kind to yourself. You are a child of God, and as a child of God, you need to treat this child well. Okay, because you have potential. You're in the middle of your journey. You're ever changing, so you can't just decide that you're boo-boo and that's it, and there's nothing you can do about it. Okay, we have power within to change and be amazing. So the positive emotion that I'm inviting you to adopt is praise and encouragement, hope and understanding, okay, acceptance, self-control, freedom and success. So just choose to be successful. I'm a successful person, and sometimes I make mistakes, and those mistakes help me be more successful. That's all. Okay, so you can see it from a different lens, and then that helps you help your organs, your kidneys and your bladder flush out and detox more. Okay, so those people who have kidney problems, kidney stones and stuff, it's a lot of self-criticism, it's a lot of anger, like fear, and condemnation of self, okay, and of others, because we expect more from ourselves. We hold ourselves up to such a high standard, and sometimes we haven't even defined that standard yet, but we expect ourselves to be there now, right? Just think of yourself as a child, and you're progressing, okay, and you're on a journey, right? And every chapter of your life should be filled with positive encouragement instead of anger, or just fear, criticism of self. That's no fun, right? We're always going to be in the middle of a journey of a progression of some sort, right? So instead, let's just choose to be kind to ourselves. Way back when I was first married, I did the typical girly thing, right? Oh, I'm so fat. Oh, I'm so ugly. And my husband just said to me, Jade, you're being mean to my wife. And I thought, oh gosh, wow. And he said, she's a child of God too. And I thought, yeah, I wouldn't ever want to do that and say those things about other people, but I say it about myself. And so I thought, no, I'm going to, not look at that and say those things to myself anymore as much as I can help it, right? And so I can continue to progress, and I'm just going to choose to love myself, just choose to be good enough for now. I'll encourage myself and do a lot of self-correcting, but now I'm going to just do that, because then my kids will follow suit. They won't criticize me. They won't criticize themselves. They'll be encouraging of themselves, and they'll be, just cheering themselves on. We're not going to be perfect today, but we can be better, right? And that's good enough for now, right? And that's good enough reason to be happy now, right? Sometimes we have cultures and parents and people that have told us, they're disappointed and all these things. Yeah, let's go back to that time and clear it and resolve it, and just forgive it and let that go. Okay, when you do that, my friend, you'll let the toxins go, and you'll feel lighter, and your physical weight will improve as well. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed that. So please comment below, tell me how you're going, okay, with the cleanse. I feel a little bit bloated last night, and I thought, I'm just going to rest and feel really truly rested, so I thought I'll sleep in today. So go ahead and share with me what you're doing and how you're feeling today, okay? So I hope you're enjoying the Cleanse and Restore Challenge, and just relax, be nice to yourself, and I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye for now.